Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a very interesting cryptocurrency chart which is currently on its way into a trading area. It's the SUI chart. We recently added it to our website as one of the coins that we cover because a lot of you guys requested it, and it's on its way into a trading area. So it's very interesting. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. All right, we are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. This is a website where you can get access to all of these Elliott wave updates, but it's completely for free. So you can register for free and you get free access to cryptocurrency chart updates and the S&P 500, docs, and many more. But let's take a look at the crypto section. We select the SUI chart and we click on the long-term chart first, or larger time frame. You see a little bit more of the bigger picture here. Important here, I think, is just to understand that the market is currently on its way towards this trading area. Yeah, this is very, very important. We talked about that, right? We talked about that in the last videos. Between 270 and 323, that's sort of a trading area, target area. Below that level, absolute key level, or below that area, an absolute key level here that must hold to keep the overall bullish expectations alive. I mean, $1.97, as you can see here, that's the absolute key level. That's an absolute key support level. A break below the trading area wouldn't be great, right? I mean, it's currently working its way down into the trading area. That's the forecast from the last video. That was the idea, that the top has formed here, local top, and we were expecting movements to the downside. If you watched the last video, you will remember that. It's just now we just need to watch these Fibonacci levels here for a potential reaction. Now, could the price turn around now? You know, could a new rally start from here? Yes, but we only assign a 30% probability to that. Expectations are for the price to go a little bit lower. I mean, SUI has been extremely bullish for many months now, and it's, you know, it was time for a correction. So I know a lot of people were waiting for a correction. It's happening now, yeah, and now is the time to get positioned if you want to get positioned. I mean, essentially we can't tell you to do that, but what we can do is to tell you the levels, the areas where the price will most likely, it's all about probabilities, turn around. Yeah, overall the price should then turn around at some point, break above that green line at 536 and move higher, but we don't expect it yet, even though overall that would be the expectation, that once this correction is complete and we have a very specific trading area where the correction should complete, well, then we should see a turnaround happen. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. There is not much more detail, but it explains the structure a little bit better here on the micro level. By the way, we see this as an internal wave 4 correction, so there's one more high to come for a more substantial top forms. That's very important information. Even though we still expect a nice rally, you know, maybe $5, $6, we can define a target more precisely once a low has formed in this internal wave 4. But what you essentially see here, we see this as a flat correction with an overshooting corrective wave here, which did move even slightly above the previous high, which is marked as a third wave. So now we see this as a fourth wave, and we'll see if the market does find support there. Essentially, there's no need to test the support area, but it would be ideal. Yeah, it's all about what an ideal structure would do. So it's wise, I think, and worth to be on the side of caution now, or at least observe the chart very closely, because we don't see any signals that a major top has formed yet. We only expect it after the next high. So while we expect a little bit more downside, possibly over the coming sessions, maybe next 1 or 2 weeks. I mean, I shouldn't really talk too much about timing because Elliott wave is a price-based system. It's not time-based, but you know, we're nearly there, right? Overall, the upside trend should be continued. Now, nothing stops the price to just consolidate for weeks and weeks, right? Above this trading area or within the trading area. As long as we don't break below it, or at least break and sustain below it, the overall upside expectations stay valid and the preferred interpretation. And then once we see a small upside impulse emerge from this support area, we can then say, okay, probably the low was in. We will gray this area out. And please note that typically what we recommend, I mean, if you use these areas, integrate them into your trading plan, get a position there. It's up to you if you do that. But if you do that, then typically we recommend to set a stop loss roughly 2% below that bottom. Yeah, because risk management is everything, especially as long as we haven't seen a turnaround yet or a reaction, there's still risk for further downside. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. It's completely for free. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.